Hey there, are you looking for a fun and flexible way to make money from the comfort of your home? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to introduce you to an amazing opportunity that's in high demand right now. Becoming a live chat assistant. Sounds interesting, right? Imagine getting paid to answer customer questions, share sales links, and even offer discounts, all from your phone, tablet, or laptop. No more boring 9-to-5 office grind. Plus, it's something that can fit into your schedule even if you've already got another job. So, what exactly is a live chat assistant? It's super simple. You'll be chatting with customers, helping them find the products they're looking for, or answering their questions. Sometimes you'll even send them sales links or sweet discounts. And the best part? Companies are hiring live chat assistants like crazy right now, so there are tons of opportunities waiting for you. You might be wondering, what do I need to get started? Well, the answer is, not much at all. As long as you've got a device that can access business chat functions like social media messaging or website chat, you're good to go. This means your phone, tablet, or laptop will work perfectly. No qualifications are needed. If you can follow instructions, work independently, and have a reliable internet connection, then this could be your golden ticket. One of the coolest things about this job is the flexibility. Your hours will vary each week, so whether you're a night owl or a morning person, there's always a time slot that can fit into your schedule. That means you can work around your current commitments, school, family, even another job. This is truly one of the best ways to bring your online work to life and turn it into a reality. If you've been searching for a job that offers growth, flexibility, and real earning potential, live chat assistants could be just what you're looking for. Plus, it's fun. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey today and see where this exciting opportunity can take you. If this sounds like something you'd love to try, check the link in the video description. Please hit that subscribe button for more tips on making money from home. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's make money online together, one chat at a time. See you in the next video.